Hi everyone. Today we're going to see how to update WhatsApp on any Android device. So to update your WhatsApp, first you need to open your Play Store. After that, tap on the search bar on the top. Now type WhatsApp or you can use the speech option for it. Now click on search. Now you can see WhatsApp and update in here. Just simply click on update and your WhatsApp will be updated. Or if you want to know more about the app and what's new in this update, just simply click on the WhatsApp Messenger. Now you can see more in details. Now click on update and your WhatsApp will be updated. Now the WhatsApp is updated. That's why it's showing open in here. So when there will be a newer version available, it will show update in here instead of open. That time simply click on update and update your WhatsApp. So that's all for today.